What's up, friends? If you're a big Notion fan and you haven't been living under a rock, you've probably seen Notion release their new AI character called Nozy. It's this very cute little character that looks a bit like Clippy. There's this whole blog post here on Fast Company that talks about the design of it, and I quite frankly think it's a really, really cool character. And the moment I saw it, I thought that it would be so cool just to create my little own Nosy character. And that's why we came up with this free Nosy avatar generator. You can find it on Product Hunt today. We're live, so if you want to support us, that would obviously be super awesome. You can check it out here. But let me quickly show you how the tool works. It's super simple, super easy, but you can, I think, create kind of cool social avatars for be it X, on Notion, Instagram, you name it. So how it works is we can scroll down here, and if you want to, we can just randomize an output here and get some already like really funny or cool looking characters ourselves, or we can also reset it back to the baseline here. And then all we need to do is pick a style. For example, I want to have these like cute eyes, and if we want to have some glasses maybe, and we can also choose if you want to have a mouth, if you want to have like an outline view or not, and then we can pick our colors. So for example, if I want this to be a bit more blue, we can do that. And then we can also choose the background color if we wanted to. And all we need to do then is click on download, and that's basically it. Then we can use this photo, upload it to our social media, and off we go. So that's Nozy, or Nozy with a Z, how we call it. Let me know if you like it. It was a really fun project to build this quick little micro tool. And yeah, peace out.